Okay, Matt, here, check this thing out. So yeah, we both use Keurig. We're sick of Keurig, but I wanted to still have the convenience and be able to make coffee 1 cup at a time, but I want my fresh ground beans. So this thing is awesome. All right, so here's my double insulated glass coffee cup. I put it under there. Bring this down. And I've got my beans. I just put them in there. I keep my beans vacuum sealed in this jar from with my Food Saver vacuum sealer, and pour them in here right before I grind them. And I can do espresso, I can froth milk, but today I'm just going to make some coffee. And press that in. I can change the size if I want, but I'm going to go for a 5-ounce cup. It's a Burr grinder, which if you know about grinders, those are the best. If you use one of those electrics, you push the button down and it spins. If you're interested, I'll send you a link about why those things suck. But a Burr grinder really chops them up good. And the great thing about this is you get this thing at the top. It's called crema. This nice foam at the top of your coffee. And dude, it's like, it tastes so good. Oh my God. I buy my beans at a local place in town where they roast those beans right here in Manhattan. So I always look at the date on the bag, and it's usually they roast them within a day or two of when I pick them up. So they're super fresh, and then I keep them vacuum sealed. Each time I pour beans in the hopper, it comes from vacuum sealed bag. And that's it. All right. That's so good.